In this video, we're going to talk about GCF of monomials. So way back, when you were in elementary school, they probably taught you GCF by doing the rainbow method, where you found the factor of each guy and made sure that they multiplied to equal the number you were trying to find the GCF of, and then found out the biggest they had in common. But that doesn't work when we've got variables in our terms. So instead of doing it that way, we're going to do it by looking at prime factorization. So if I were to break up -2 into a product of its primes, it would be -1, because of the negative sign, times 2. And then I would need to expand the powers here. So x to the 4th means there are 4 x's. I'm going to do the same thing for -8x cubed. So if I were to make -8 as a product of its primes, it'd be -1 because of the negative sign. And then 8 is 2 times 4. 2 is prime, 4 is not. But 4 can be broken up into 2 times 2, both of which are prime. And then I just need 3 x's because of the x to the 3rd. So now that I have the prime factorization of each number, I can actually figure out what the GCF is by circling everything that they have in common. So only things they have in common I'm going to circle. So -1, they both have one of those. They both have a 2. They both have 1, 2, 3 x's. Okay? So to find the GCF then, I would need to take all those things, one from every circle. So -1, +2, x times x times x to give me my GCF, which is -2x cubed. So finding the GCF of monomials is super simple as long as you break it down into the prime factorization of each term.